Yo, what's going on guys, Rebuilds NI here, come back with a new video. Today in this video we're going to be building this Clio. We're going to be setting the back bumper on, tailgate, front bumper and wing. Now I've got the intercooler, we've got the cross member and we've got the seatbelts. Now the seatbelts I don't know if they're going to fit because they're a 3-door. But anyway, we'll try it and see. Now as you can see, this car is looking far shinier than it did last time. How do we go with buff on the side of her and stuff? I went and bought a brand new buff yesterday and I'm gonna be honest, I can't actually recommend it enough. It's actually a dual action buff. So basically what that means is, when I buff this, say I buff that with my normal buff, you can stand in the sun and you might see a little swirls down there. This dual action buff actually removes all them. Now the only thing is, it's not really a cutting buff, it just like really glides over top of it and stuff. But here's the buff here, it's called a Slim Jim, I think. I could be wrong, don't quote me on that, but it's pretty light. The only thing I gotta say is bad about them, you can't control the speed and the vibration of it is pretty bad. Like, you feel like you're about to shake out of your skin, like it's pretty bad. Now you got a couple of wee finishing pads and stuff, and cutting pads. All for 150 quid and Maguire's glaze and stuff. Now I thought that was a good deal, so you know, might as well just pick it up. Now guys, I know I did say I'm gonna paint the wheels in this car, but I think I'm just gonna leave them, to be honest. We're not really in that much we're not in that much money at the minute, so might as well just leave them. If you're enjoying the videos, make sure you do hit the like button. Hopefully this car will be completely done today and it will go on down the road to my brother's. It's actually not my car, it's his, so he's gonna actually, I think he's actually gonna sell it, put it for sale, and see if he can turn a wee bit of profit off it. Now the next car I think should be the wee Peugeot 107 that I have. I bought damaged the front. Now I took parts off it to put onto another car, but I need the front panel for that car anyway, so I'm going to actually do a video maybe today of drilling the front panel out of it and showing you how to do that there, because they're welded in, so I'm going to have to drill that out and weld a new front panel in. And it'll probably be going up for sale too. But anyway guys, that's how the bumpers turned out. I know you've probably seen it in the last video, but that's all the ride and stuff. It actually looks pretty damn good, like, for a garage. As some people may know, getting a nice finish in a garage is pretty hard. And it's really, there's one thing we're going to have to sort out in these videos guys, and it's going to be a lighting, because let's be honest, the lighting's not the greatest in this garage. I know I could do it outside and stuff, but I'd rather just sit in the garage and do it, even though it is a lovely day outside. But the driveway's not that big, and by the time everyone comes up to help me build it and stuff, you know, there's cars going to be everywhere and stuff. So anyway, you're going to see, another thing is, you're going to see a lot of different people out through this video. Like, my brother's coming up to help me. Don't know if you'll see his girlfriend and stuff in the video. My dad's coming up. So just, if I'm not talking as much and I'm just going to time lapse putting this boot on, this bumper and front bumper and cross member and wing and stuff, you know why. You know, there's too many people obviously up. But anyway guys, less my talking, we're going to get building the back of her first, and yeah, we'll see how it goes.
shade. I see the sparks you throw my way. I know your name is written on everyone's mind. Your whole show is captivating me, but don't think that I can see right through that disguise. But when you got close to me, you had me falling so hard, baby, hard, baby. Yeah, now I get it. You got heads turning,
So you have it, guys, that's all built. Now we've got the handles in, we've got everything set except for the other side of the bumper where it's actually not clicked into the wing right. So we're gonna have to figure out why that's not done, but I'll do that off camera and stuff so you don't have to watch it. Now the unlucky thing, when I put this wing on, it's actually cracked again, so I don't think you can see it because the pressure's actually handed out with splash guard on your bumper and stuff. But we're just gonna have to leave it, knock a bit of price off. And handles look alright, not gonna complain. And colour's actually spot on. Now brother did start wet sanding the boot, that's why it looks shady. But there's not much I can do with that, we're just going to have a wet sander all off camera. Other than that, she's looking great. Now I know this video is probably all over the place because I'll tell you why. I put this back bumper on and then my brother started buffing the tailgate. I didn't record putting the tailgate on because I was actually trying to put it on with my girlfriend and that would have been funny. So I think I recorded putting the back bumper on, building the front bumper, and my brother buffing that tailgate. That's when the camera died. So I don't think I actually recorded anything else. This is actually a different week and everything. Like, I recorded all that about a week ago, just after I painted it. So I just recorded putting that front handle and stuff in there and other things like that. Now it's turned out to be a good looking wee car. Like, it's pretty clean. I know we did say we we're going to do wheels, but then we'll start getting into all of her. Because tell you what, you'd be in some money for all she's worth. You know, we're probably going to get an extra, if my brother sells it. It's actually not my car either, like, so I've done it for my brother. Now I don't get paid off doing any of these cars, I just get the probably experience, because as many of you know, I don't know if actually any of you know that I'm actually not trained as a painter. I'm a fully qualified body metal worker, so painting I taught myself just by painting stuff in the garage and stuff. Now don't get me wrong, far from a professional painter. As you've probably seen some videos of me painting, you know, I miss some things that I probably shouldn't miss. But if you are enjoying the content, make sure you do hit that like button and subscribe. I know I've been slowed down and stuff in content. I'm not going to give you an excuse, but I'm basically back at work and stuff, you know, so I'm working 40 hours a week, full time all week, and it's just finding it hard to record. But we'll try and get as much as recorded as we can. We've got Cavalier and stuff to do if we continue doing it, because I think we're going to throw a head stacker and maybe just sell her and buy a decent one, or buy a Ford Sierra, or I don't know where my head is at the minute. So if you do like these videos, make sure you do keep liking and subscribing. Thanks to all the new subscribers. The giveaway will probably be in a week or so, just whenever the spray gun comes and stuff. But anyway guys, this is going to be Rebuilds In out.